Aaron Kaufman is an American TV star and a mechanic who is famous for his appearance in Fast and Loud. During his time in the show, Aaron became a well-loved man amongst the audience, and when he left the show, fans were quite sad. And why wouldn't they? After all, Aaron was one of the most dedicated mechanics on the show. Ever since he left the show, all of us Fast and Loud fans have been pondering, what is Aaron doing nowadays? Well, let's find out the answer in this video today. But before getting into it, make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update on your favorite superstars. What is Aaron Kaufman doing after he left the show? Ever since the show Fast and Loud made its debut in the Discovery Network in 2012, it immediately grew an instant fan base, especially that of car enthusiasts. The show chronicled the day-to-day activity of the Dallas-based Gas Monkey Garage as they salvaged broken or tired-down cars and restored them for larger profits. The garage, which is owned by Richard Rawlings, had Aaron Kaufman working as the lead mechanic. As the main mechanic, he was featured quite a bit in the show, because of which he became a fan favorite alongside Richard. But ever since he left the show in 2018, we have been all curious as to what is he up to nowadays. Well, he is doing a couple of things instead of just one. He is doing his own show titled Aaron Needs a Job. Yeah, we know, the name is quite ironical, as our beloved Aaron is in jobless. Aside from this, he also featured in one season show titled Shifting Gears. Both of these shows are a part of Discovery Network. Aaron also owns a fabrication shop. Apart from his portfolio as a TV star, Kaufman is still a mechanic by heart. This is why he also opened a fabrication shop named ArcLight Shop. The former Fast and Loud host founded this Dallas-based company alongside Jonathan Mansour. As many of you might already know that, Aaron is a big 4 F100 fan. Likewise, his fabrication shop is all about fabricating parts for 57 to 79 Ford trucks. As for the inspiration behind opening this shop, Aaron said,
"Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Kaufman of ArcLight Fab. We used to be Fast and Loud fame of Gas Monkey Garage, but we've moved on to a couple new things. The big thing for us is F100s, 57 to 79 to be exact. So Jonathan and myself, we're truck guys, mini truck guys, and we've got into the bigger ones, bigger motors, a little faster. And we're Ford guys, so it only seemed natural to be F100 guys. We have a couple of them, and we've noticed, and I'm sure all of y'all have, that there aren't very many parts available, not the same way there are for Chevrolets. And we're going to try desperately over the next couple of years to absolutely fill that gap, to actually, for 57 to 79, to be able to build them the same way at home, the way we build them in the shop, the same way all the guys with the C10s can build everything from suspension components, front and rear suspensions, to full chassis, motor programs, electronics, soft goods, and hopefully even step into wheels. 17 is our kickoff year. Hopefully this being late spring now, early summer, hopefully by mid to late summer we'll be offering a lot of the components, maybe even one of the chassis. By the end of the year, several of the chassis, many more components, and an 18 hopping into the wheels and some of the finer parts. So come enjoy it, make sure to check us out, stay tuned for what we got.
why did Aaron Kaufman leave Fast and Loud? When he left the show, fans were left distraught as he was one of the most entertaining guys amongst the crew. Ever since he left in 2018, fans have been questioning why he called it quits. As for the answer to this question, in the word of Stevie Nicks, he said, "I think I have to go my own way." Now, to further elaborate on Aaron's reason to left the show, he said that he simply believed there's a lot of other things he wants to explore, something which he can't do while working in the show. "My vacation from Gas Monkey is going to be a permanent one. I need to make a permanent split. It's time for me to go," he said. In an interview with Art of Gears, he further maintained the lack of creative control was also the reason behind his split from the show. Like we all know, Aaron is all into bigger trucks. However, the show wanted smaller cars. Is Aaron Kaufman married? Well, as of now, the handsome TV star is not married to anyone. However, he is in a relationship. Yes, you heard it right. Aaron has a girlfriend whose name is Lauren Moore Knoll. The couple has been dating since 2013 and are often spotted on each other's social media pages. For fans who have been following the show Fast and Loud since the beginning, we are sure you recall the 14th season episode of the show wherein both of them appeared together as a couple. The couple lives together and are parent of 2 dogs, Lola and Lizzie. As for when will the big day arrive for the pair, well, it looks like they are in no rush to marry. Well, that's all for today. Make sure you guys like the video if you liked it and dislike if not. Comment down below about which celebrity would you like to hear about next.